Google Business Account. A Google Business Account, often referred to as a Google My Business (GMB) account, is a valuable tool for businesses to manage their online presence. It's a free platform offered by Google that allows businesses to create and update their business information, connect with customers, and optimize their visibility on Google's various services, including search and maps. Setting up a Google Business account involves a few key steps. Creating an account. To get started, you need to create an account by signing up with your business email. If you already have a personal Google account, you can create a business profile linked to that account. Verifying ownership. Google wants to ensure that only authorized individuals can manage a business listing. Verification methods include receiving a postcard at your business address, a phone call, or an email. This step helps build trust with potential customers. Updating business information. Once verified, you can provide crucial details such as business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and a brief description of your products or services. This information will appear when customers search for your business. Adding visual content. You can upload photos and videos showcasing your products, services, team, and the physical location of your business. Visual content can significantly impact a customer's decision to engage with your business. Customer interaction. Google Business Account allows customers to leave reviews and ask questions. Responding to reviews and addressing inquiries helps build a positive online reputation and shows potential customers that you value their feedback. Posts and updates. You can create posts to share news, promotions, events, and other updates. These posts appear alongside your business listing and can attract more attention from potential customers. Insights and analytics. Google provides insights into how customers are finding and interacting with your business listing. You can see data on searches, views, clicks, and more. This information helps you make informed decisions about your business strategy. Messaging. Google allows customers to send messages directly to your business through the listing. Quick responses can enhance customer engagement and satisfaction.
Booking and appointments. If your business offers appointments or bookings, you can integrate scheduling tools with your GMB account, making it easier for customers to interact with your services. Local SEO. A properly managed Google business account can improve your local search engine optimization SEO, making your business more discoverable to users in your area.
Multi-location management. For businesses with multiple locations, Google Business Account offers tools to manage all locations efficiently from a single dashboard.
In conclusion, a Google Business Account is a powerful tool for businesses to manage their online presence. Engage with customers and enhance their visibility on Google's platforms by providing accurate information, engaging with customers, and utilizing the various features offered. Businesses can create a strong online identity and attract more customers. Thanks for watching.